Hi, first graders! Happy Friday! We made it through another Friday, which means we have to do our Friday song, okay? And we got to make it loud because not only is it Friday, but it starts our spring break next week. So that means you don't have any learning. Miss Esquire doesn't have to do any more teaching online. Moms and daddies and grandma and grandpas and uncles get a break. So we need to make sure this is nice and loud. Are you ready? Let's do it. Stand up. Here we go. It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. Good job, first graders. And I just have one more assignment for you to do. Just one more thing. I want you to give mommy, daddy, grandma, grandpa, and uncles, who's been helping you learn every day, give them a nice big hug and tell them thank you. It is not easy to teach you all of these things, and it's not easy for you to learn these new things and not be in the classroom. So, you guys deserve this break, and let's make it a good one. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, first graders.